Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Polar curves look intimidating, but finding the slope is actually super quick if you follow these 3 simple steps. Let's break it down right now, guys. To find the slope of a polar curve, we use the derivative formula dy dx equals the derivative of r times sine plus r cosine all over r prime cosine minus r sine. Next, evaluate r and its derivative at pi. Since r is theta squared, r is pi squared, and its derivative, 2 theta, becomes 2 pi at our specific point, you see. Finally, plug these into our formula. With sine of pi being 0 and cosine of pi being -1, the expression simplifies to pi over 2. That is the answer. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore r prime or flip the numerator. Always use chain rule and verify trig.